Okay. Now we are here in the last part of Comet 2 or the second part of Comet 2. Okay. So we are here at the end of the story. So shall I start this story? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ah, right. I'm right. Today, good number of them have joined, so I'll just continue with this story. Right. So Dattada returns home to a warm welcome. Now, what was there? There was international conference, and this international conference was of experts. Now, what was going to happen? You tell me why there was international conference? Why the scientists were worried very much? Comet
Sir,
Datta.
because Comet Datta was arriving towards the Earth, sir.
Yes,
There was a
it was
chances that
moving towards the
collision
Earth.
can take place.
Yes, and there was possibility of collision. So there was possibility of collision, which was inevitable. And due to collision, what would have happened? This Earth would have been destroyed. So life on the Earth would have been destroyed. Probably this Earth would have been destroyed. Now Dattada returns home to a warm welcome. What is his full name? Dattada's Manoj Datta, isn't it?
Sri Manoj Datta, sir.
Manoj
Manoj
Datta,
Datta.
sir.
Manoj
Sri
Datta.
Manoj Datta.
Very good. Manoj Datta. Now here there was a ceremony, there was a function because he has discovered, yes, a new comet. Who has discovered new comet? Manoj Datta has discovered new
Datta,
comet.
sir. Sri
Yes.
Manoj Datta.
So that's why there was a ceremony, yes, to felicitate him. So for felicitation, a ceremony was held. Now, which is not a scientist delight. Now, see here, he was amateur scientist and he was not keen on all these ceremonies and all. Then a secret communication sends him rushing to the local sweet shop. So Indani Devi says that Koka, their 8-year-old grandson, has saved the world. Her husband is seriously puzzled. So he's totally puzzled, confused. Okay. So let's go to this part of the story. So last part of the story, and you can go on adding whatever you know about us. Okay. Right. Arriving home, he found another crowd gathered under a pandal. He glanced questioningly at Indrani Devi. So there was a crowd that was gathered there. Maybe in front of the house there was a pandal there. And what they were doing that is a question here. See here, there is a discovery of the comet. And he has a scientific outlook. Who has scientific outlook? Manoj Datta has a scientific outlook. But his wife was quite different. So here we can see the kind of contrast here. So science and superstition. So there's a kind of contrast here. So that is what is quite interesting here. Indrani Devi. So Indrani Devi is a wife of Manoj Datta. And yes, now here he glanced questioningly at Indrani Devi because why that gathering? Surely she knew how he hated crowds and he knew that he was introvert. He always liked to remain withdrawn. So he always liked to be remain keep himself aloof from the crowd, keep himself aloof from all others. And she knew how he hated crowds. He was not very social kind of person. Yes, he was very. I mean, he was he was lonely. He always liked to remain himself. Yes, he was that kind of person. Very introvert, not extrovert, not very social, not very friendly. Indrani, obviously uneasy, offered explanation. So she was a bit uncomfortable when, yes, he glanced at her, then she felt a little bit uncomfortable. And what does she say? I have arranged a yajna and called priest to bless him. Now, Indrani Devi tells him earlier something, and she was not very happy that he has discovered the comet. Can you tell the reason? See, she was very happy what he was doing all that. But she never wanted him to discover the comet. If he discovers something else, no problem, but not the comet. Can you just give the answer for that? Why she was not very happy that he had discovered the comet?
Sir,
Which is
because
arranged
she
Sir,
yajna.
thought that
because that the
she
new
had
comet is
superstition
colliding the
that
Earth,
it is
collide
the
the Earth.
symbol of
So he was upset and
something
One
bad
at
is
a
going
time.
to
Yes,
he was
happen.
one
very
at a
scared.
time.
Sir, because her
Showed.
wife, his wife was so much superstitious, sir.
His
Yes,
wife
sir.
was very superstitious.
She
Okay, fine.
thought that
Ah,
she thought that
see,
planet which is
whenever the
it is the
comets
symbol of
appear, it is believed that, yes, in Indian astrology, it is believed that whenever comets appear, there is going to be disaster that is going to take place. When Halley's comet appeared, they felt that there was going to be a sort of a disaster. Yes, that was going to take place. And afterwards, what happened? See, there was assassination of our Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi, after the appearance of this comet. And then they related that. See, the astrologers were predicting that something disastrous is going to happen.
Yes, yes,
And
something around.
afterwards, what has happened? See, the comet, Halley's comet, it was not that it appeared only in India, but that kind of superstitious beliefs that are there in Indian astrology. So, whenever any comet appears, there is going to be some sort of disasters that is going to follow up after the appearance of the comet. Now, here, what has happened here? Here, Indrani Devi, she appeared to be very, very superstitious. Though well educated, she appeared to be very superstitious. And she says, I have arranged yajna and I have called priests to bless us. So, something disastrous that is going to happen that should not happen. But why? Just because I left the shores of India, it is because, no, that is also superstitious. That you should not cross seven seas. You should not go out of India. That was also believed earlier. And
yes,
is it because you have got that belief, yes, that superstitious belief that I should not leave the shores of India? It is no longer taboo. It is not a taboo now. It is not permitted for religious, reasons. So now anybody can go there. That is not a problem there. And in any case, my views on these meaningless rituals. So I don't believe all these rituals, all these yajnas. So he has a scientific outlook. Who has scientific outlook? Manoj Datta. So Manoj Datta was
That's
not
all, sir.
superstitious. Yes, yes, Uday. Tell.
No, sir. No,
Uh,
sir.
somebody,
Nothing.
somebody wanted to tell something. Now, who is superstitious? Indrani Devi is superstitious. Who is not superstitious? Yes, Manoj
Manoj
Datta is
Datta.
not superstitious. He has scientific outlook.
Yes,
Indrani
yes.
Devi looked at Shivaji Babu, the younger brother of her husband. Shivaji Babu coughed and explained. Now he is also feeling very uncomfortable and he coughed. No, when you feel uncomfortable, see that. So here Shivaji Babu, who is younger brother of Manoj Datta, he says, we have all been very disturbed since you discovered the comet. So he gives the reason. Guruji recommended a Shanti Yajna to pacify the evil spirit behind the comet. Not to pacify, to satisfy or to make them peaceful, the evil spirit, otherwise they will be behind us. So, you talk about Shani and all, or the evil spirit,
Yes,
or
sir.
the ghosts you talk about, the spirits you
Yes,
talk
yes.
about.
Yes, sir.
So, in order to pacify that, in the villages, I know what they will do. Probably they will sacrifice, goats, they will sacrifice.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
They'll
hens, they
tell
will sacrifice.
stories.
They sacrifice, he
Yes, sir.
buffaloes they sacrifice in some of the
They
places.
sacrifice
It is
goats,
in order
goat.
to
They will tell
pacify
stories
the
about
evil spirit.
ghosts and some of the violence.
Right. So we are all waiting for you to perform the yajna. So we are all waiting for you, and you are supposed to perform the yajna because you have discovered the comet.
New comment.
New comet he has discovered. May I know what specific advantage there is in this ceremony? Datta was outwardly calm, but inside probably he was feeling very angry with him. And he asked him, so what will be the advantage of this yajna, of this ceremony, of this function? The comet you have discovered will not cause any ill effects on the earth. So if you perform this yajna, what will happen? That comet will not cause any ill effect. So the impact, bad impact will not be there of the comet. See, nobody knows, general public, they don't know what is going to be the ill effect of the comet. But he knows. Who knows? Manoj Datta knows.
Manoj Datta.
Manoj Datta knows about it, and some of the scientists they know in the world, but they have not revealed it to the general public. At this remark, Datta the blew up. So he became very angry. Blew up. Don't you know that this is all superstitious? So he's very angry. And he says that
Yes,
this is
sir.
all superstition. It could be condoned in the olden times when man did not know what comets were. So it could have been forgiven. Probably in the olden times, people would have committed such kind of thing when people were not aware of all that. But we know about these comets. We have studied about these comets. Not so in modern times. So in modern time, we have done all the calculations. We know all that. We know their path to. Comets are known for what they are. Their movements are forecast precisely by mathematical calculations. So we can tell about their movements by calculating mathematically. And it is clearly established by statistical studies that their visits have no correlations. So they don't have any correlations or connections with disasters on the earth. So, nothing to do with those calamities or nothing to do with the disasters. So, if anything takes place in the space, it doesn't mean that they have got relationship with what? With the calamity that takes place on the earth. All this is, of course, futile on my part to explain. So, this all useless. It's futile. Futile means what? Useless. You and the likes of you never read even the elementary books on science. So you should read books on science, then you'll feel that all that you have been doing it's all futile. Shivaji Babu gently interjected. Then suddenly, abruptly, what he has done, he has interfered there, and suddenly, abruptly, he said something. But our wise forefathers recommended such yajnas. But our ancestors in our astrology book, it is all given that they have recommended yajnas. In the Vedic text, it is recorded that yajna should be performed whenever there is appearance of the comets. Since his return from London, Dattada was in regular correspondence with Sir John Macpherson. So he was in contact with John Macpherson. So they were, discussing about this. They were in contact with each other. There was a correspondence that was going on. Their friendship had grown out of their appreciation of each other's virtues. So whatever the good qualities each other possess, they were able to appreciate each other. So John admired Dattada's scientific outlook. So here his wife was very superstitious, whereas Dattada had a scientific outlook. So he was thinking, with reason, with logically to think, while the latter admired the former's discipline and efficiency. So former's discipline, the way he was working disciplined way, the kind of hard work he was putting in, and the efficiency that he showed. Their correspondence never mentioned the Project Light Brigade, although once in a while Sir John would hint at its progress in a subtle manner that Dattada would understand. So the progress that was going on in a vague manner, he used to tell about all that. Yes. So what was the Project Light Brigade? And this was a countermeasure. Yes. Against what? It was a countermeasure against the disaster that was going to be. So, what was the disaster going to be? The disaster was that the comet Datta was going to collide with what? It was going to collide with the Earth.
Earth.
Yes, very good. Meanwhile, Comet Datta was following its predicted path. So whatever was predicted, it was coming towards the direction of the Earth. In due course, it developed its tail. See what happens, how it develops the tail as the comet goes on moving. So, the ice, it also has got ice and all, it gets evaporated. And that, whatever that is there, solid things, they start getting, getting converted into gaseous state. And then a longish tail that will appear, very bright longish tail that will appear in the comet. And then it circled round the sun without breaking apart. So without breaking that, so they were expecting if there's a, if it breaks apart, then definitely the impact will not be to that extent. Nor did it, yes, evaporate. Nor did it evaporate. The scientists on Project Light Brigade therefore knew that the threat of collision was now very much real. So it was unavoidable. It was definitely going to be there. The collision was now very much real. It was unavoidable. It was inevitable. So some of the words that we have seen here, one is correlations, connections, and another one is futile. That's useless or in vain. In vain is a phrase here. So this collision was inevitable. In the middle of October, Dattada got a letter from Sir John. Sir John, that scientist, in the middle of descriptions of the meeting of the Royal Astronomical. So Abhinav Jagti, you are joining. What is that? Yes, some problem. 1 minute. I'll just. Some. Just a minute. Some. I'm just. Okay. So some are waiting in the lobby. Abhinav Jagti. Okay. Fine. Okay. Right, I'm going ahead with this. I hope screen is still there. You're able to see the
Yes,
screen?
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. We can observe the
you can see.
screen.
Okay, fine. I'm just going to the next page now. So there was a little bit problem there. Okay, fine.
Page number 85, sir.
Okay. Okay, in the middle of the October, okay, the meeting of the Royal Astronomical Society. The unseasonably warm weather, the opening matches of the football season, and a recent by-election. Dattada spotted the sentence he was eagerly looking for. The charge of the Light Brigade has begun. What does it mean? The charge of the Light Brigade has begun? That means the spaceship, the spacecraft, which was supposed to get launched, that spacecraft had been launched on time. So, what has happened here? Spacecraft with nuclear weapons have been launched. So, with nuclear payload had been launched. So, let us hope for the best. So now it has been launched and there is going to be explosion there. Where? In the space. And with that, what they are going to do? With that, what they are going to do? They are going to destroy this comet. So they are going to deflect the path of this comet. But will it achieve the rendezvous in time so that meeting with that or countering that and at the right place, whether it's going to have a meeting, I mean, whether it's going to come across that right in place, yes, right in time, that was very, very important. So they have to do all those calculations. Will the remote control detonation work? So they are going to control everything from the earth. That detonation, whether they are able to detonate that and destroy that or deflect that from its path towards the earth. What if the gigantic nuclear pile fails to fire? This gigantic huge nuclear pile, huge nuclear payload, if it is not able to fire that detonate that, then it will not be able to deflect its path, then it's going to be disastrous for the earth. Datta could not share his anxieties with anyone around him. And whatever the worry, whatever the anxiety that he had, he was not able to share with anybody. But he could talk to the scientists, but those were there around him. His brother, wife, or neighbors, he was not able to tell to them. He had to participate in and outwardly enjoy the puja ceremonies. So outwardly, so he was showing as if he was, involved in that the Diwali celebration, then Durga at first Durga Puja, Dasara, then after that Diwali celebration and other festivals. But he knew that in the month of December there is going to be disaster. His sole daytime realization was in the company of Koka, his 8-year-old grandson. So, what is the name of his grandson? Koka. And of course, at night looking through Dibya, that's his telescope. He was regularly
One
monitoring
eye.
the comet. Yes, now clearly visible even to the naked eye. So, this comet was very much visible to the naked eye. Now it was approaching. On November 18, a special messenger on a scooter from the British Council brought in an urgent telex message for him. The telex operator in Calcutta had wondered what was so special about it to make it so urgent. But on reading it, Datta lost all his lethargy, all his laziness. So, lethargy means what? His laziness. So, he lost all that lethargy, he lost all that laziness, and rushed to his favorite Rasgulla shop. So sweet news, so lethargic, lazy, and lethargy, laziness. The message read, I am confident now of buying my Christmas presents on December 15. And who had written this? John Macpherson. So when John Macpherson says that he was quite sure of celebrating Christmas, he was quite sure, confident of buying Christmas presents. What does it mean? That they had done all the calculations and they found that yes, the disaster that they expected was not going to be there. On December 15, Comet Datta came closest to the Earth at a distance of 80,000 kilometers. That means what? It had deflected from its path, so it did not collide with the Earth. Millions saw it, they admired it, but they didn't know that what these scientists had done, only a handful knew how close they had come to total annihilation, total destruction. So, total destruction was going to be there. But what had happened? Some of the scientists they worked on that and they saw that the comet Datta deflects from its path. When the comet had gone far away and was seen no more, Datta felt it safe to make it the following comment to his wife. Now that the comet came and went, are you satisfied that no major disaster took place that can be attributed to it? So no major disaster took place. But why it has taken place? Why it has not taken place? It's mainly because the scientists work on that the nuclear payload that was sent through the spacecraft. I agree that there has been no major disaster, but there could have been some. Do you know how they were averted? So Indrani Devi, with quite confidence, she says how it was avoided, and she says how it was avoided. Who says? Indrani Devi. Datta looked at her. Did she know? So he was wondering how the Indrani Devi came to know. How could she? So how she came know? He had never mentioned Project Light Brigade to her. He probed cautiously. He wanted to find out. And he was very cautious. I don't understand what you mean. It's very simple. There were no disasters because of the yajna at our house. Why there were no disasters? Because there was no yajna. But why there was no disaster? Yes, only Datta knew it was because of Project Light Brigade. Yes, spacecraft with nuclear payload was launched and Project Light Brigade, it was to deflect the path of this comet. But I never performed the yajna. Don't you remember? I refused to have anything to do with it. Of course I do. But we found a way out, and at least Guruji did. And what was the way out? He said that if you are unwilling to perform the yajna, it could be all right if a descendant of yours did it. So we got Khoka. Who is Khoka? Khoka is a grandson of Dattada to deputize for you. So instead of you, yes, who were deputed? Khoka was deputed, grandson was deputed, and it has worked. You see, it has worked. There was no disaster, but she is not aware about the project, and it has worked, isn't Guruji clever? In that his voice had a ring of triumph, of victory. Dattada formed a mental picture of Khoka performing the yajna, uttering mantras dictated to him. So, can you see a Khoka? Which he did not understand. So what Khoka was doing, he was uttering mantras, whatever this priest said, and you can see Indrani Devi, wife of Dattada, yes, and this Khoka grandson performing yajna. Can you see the priest very plump? Yes,
Yes, sir.
ah, yes. Are you happy? Yajna was performed. Is it because of yajna? Yes, that was averted, that was avoided. Is it because of yajna?
Sir, it is not because of yajna, sir.
Pouring ghee at specified intervals into the fire. So the mental, picture, images, offering flowers, and then the picture changed to an assembly of scientists at the conference analyzing the problem, devising solutions. They were planning solutions and executing them rationally and efficiently. So on one hand, you can see these scientists working, and other hand, yes, superstitious beliefs and doing yajna. It seemed hard to believe that. So science and superstition, that both pictures were different aspects of contemporary human society. In our human society, we find a lot of people who are superstitious. Dattada was aware of the gulf, of the gap that separates the rich from the poor, the educated from the illiterate, the privileged from the underprivileged. So the wide gulf that was there, wide gap that was there, but this gap between the rational and the superstitious seemed to him far wider, far more sinister, far more harmful. Yes, will human society ever succeed in eliminating it? Eliminating what? Superstitious beliefs. Datta did not know the answer. He did not know the answer. So can you just try to give the answer? So who has written this? Jain Nadikar. And I hope you'll be able to give the answers for this. What is the Tada expected to do on his return from London? So what was he expected to do when he returned from London? Can you give the answer for this? Yes?
Sir, he was forced to do puja, sir.
No, but did he do? Not for puja, yajna. He was
Yajna, sir.
asked.
He wanted
He was
to
not.
do yajna.
He was asked to do yajna, yes,
Yes, sir.
after returning from London. So let's go to the next question. What is his reaction to the proposal?
Sir, he was very happy and went to the nearest his favorite rasgulla shop.
No. What is, see, it is not that reaction. When he was asked to do yajna, then what Shanti yajna he was supposed to perform. So when he was supposed to perform Shanti yajna, so what was his reaction? His reaction, he was very angry, blew up. He was very angry. Yes, he wasn't he angry? So he was very angry. You can try to give that answer. Right? He was very angry and he
Yes,
refused
sir.
to do that yajna. And that is the reason who has done it? His
His
grandson has done it.
grandson Khoka, sir.
So
Koka.
Dattara gets irritated by such superstitious and irrational ritual and refused to perform the yajna, sir.
He refused to perform the yajna. Very good. So what does Project Light Brigade refer to? This Project Light Brigade refers to what?
The project made by the scientists
Code
to
name
detect
given to the experiment
To
the
that
reflect the
coming of the
experts
asteroids, sir.
decide to conduct in
very
order
good.
to
To
prevent
reflect
Comet
the direction
Datta.
of the path of the asteroid. Very good. Not asteroid here, it's a comet, isn't it? Comet.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What does Sir John say
Yes,
about the project in his letter to Dattada in October? So he said something about the. So here,
So he informed Datta that the project had begun and he was hoping for its success, sir.
so the project was launched and that was going to be successful, right? Did Sir
Yes,
John
sir.
buy Christmas presents on December 15th? Did he buy?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, he bought. No, he writes and he says that yes, I am going to buy Christmas presents, right? Because he did all the calculations and they were right that it would get deflected. So did he buy? Yes, he bought. And he said, I am going to get, this is a personal response question. He says, I am going to buy Christmas presents on December 15th. He says, how did Tatada get to know about it? He came to know because
Because their calculations were correct.
Yes,
his
sir.
calculation, no, he writes to Tatada, no. Okay. Why, according to Indrani Devi, had the comet not been disastrous? Why it was not disastrous?
Because their family had performed the yajna and
Very good. Because the yajna was performed, the family had performed the yajna.
Yes, sir.
The yajna was performed. That is why
yes,
she
sir.
felt that
Because
comet
Yagna
would
was
not be disastrous.
Surrounding the evil spirit.
no, sir, I do not agree with her, sir.
You don't agree with her, okay?
Yes, sir.
Is Datta's general outlook? What was Datta's general outlook?
Rational, sir.
Yes,
It
sir.
was
rational
rational.
service.
It was
Rational.
based on reasoning, yes, logical. Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
rational.
sir.
it's
Okay.
only if
So
you
we
wanted to.
end the today's session on this very, very positive note. Okay. And I want all of you to read this lesson. Next time we'll
Yes,
discuss
sir.
about
I
this
read it.
lesson
Yes,
and
sir.
then we'll think over it, what is to be taken up next.
Yes.
Okay.
That general.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Have a
sir.
nice day,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Have a
Bye,
nice day, sir.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
somebody has changed the this one, yeah?
No, sir.